In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change title in Sakura Stand. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Sakura Stand has many titles, and these titles aren't just visual. They will give your character different sorts of bonuses, like damage buffs and so on. So all that you have to do to change your title in Sakura Stand is to acquire it. So to see all of the titles that you can acquire easily, just click on this little crown icon at the bottom left. Immediately upon clicking on this crown icon, you will find plenty of options that you can purchase with mastery points. So you are going to have stands, specs, and of course titles. So here are the titles that I currently have on this page. Above all, Big Boss, Shielded Warrior, Soul Eater, 11th Hour, The Dawn, Defender, Sacrificer, and Finality. So all that you have to do to acquire any of these titles is to reach Mastery. So as you can see at the bottom, you have Upgrade Mastery, max level required. So if you look at the top left, by doing certain activities, interacting with others, defeating players, and so on, you will be granted XP. This XP can take you all the way up to level 50. All that you have to do is reach level 50, click on the crown icon here once more, and you will be able to upgrade Mastery. This will give you 1 Mastery point, and you can use that Mastery point that you acquired to purchase any of the titles available. So all that you have to do is reach level 50 once. As you can see, you can get XP for doing a lot of things. And once you reach level 50, open this menu, upgrade the mastery, and then claim any of the titles. Now, sadly, I won't be able to show you this process on screen. My character is a newbie, and I still don't have level 50 to get 1 mastery. But regardless, this is all you have to do. Immediately upon claiming the title, it is going to be yours to use, and you will be able to use it to get the buffs and so on. I hope I was able to help you on how to change title in Sakura Stand. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.